Right, okay.
Don't start saying.
What one should I say first?
I don't know, Stobby. You're disgusting.
Stobby.
That was crap.
Oh, you can hear it.
Stobby.
Stobby.
Or say Tom.
Tom.
What the hell? Do Cheska. Or Ches.
Ches.
That at the end, what was that?
Leftover stuff.
Right, now do my name.
Hayley.
What the hell was that?
Jumping.
Do Chloe.
Chloe who?
Martinez. Just do Chloe.
Oh, sorry, I got stuck. Chloe.
That wasn't hardly a burp. That is disgusting. Do Matt.
Oh, I didn't get it. Oh, it's not working.
Just doing all my friends' names. Troy, Dan, or Doily, whatever you want to do.
Dan.
Dan, alright.
Dan.
Now try Stobby again.
Sorry, I got stuck.
Hurry up. Yeah, what the hell was that? Try again. You done Dan and Matt really well. Now why can't you do this one?
Tom.
Okay.
Tom.
Mus.
Ew.
Thomas.
Okay. Oh. I'm going to put hi Thomas ready. Hi Stubby.
What the hell? That was not Stubby.
I know, it was hi Stubby.
That was hi.
Oh. Ooh.
Why? You gotta do it properly. You're looking at me like a frog.
Ooh.
Holly! This will all come out when I stop recording, won't it? I'm like, stop me!
No, stop recording this.
No.
It's stuck.
You look like you want to
Well,
shoot
baby,
yourself.
it's stuck.
Hurry up. Now, Stobby.
Okay, I'm really tired.
God, you're the only name I really want you to
I'm
do.
sorry, Stubby, but I cannot do it.
How do you know he's going to be watching this video?
Stubby.
That is not a burp, it's more like a...
Oh, sorry, I had trapped over wind, okay?
How do you know Stubby's going to be watching this video?
Obviously, you're going to be telling them, and you're going to be sharing all your friends like, oh, look, my fucking name!
No. You put your name! Oh, wow, look!
Stop. Ooh.
Holly, you've done that every time!
Stubby!